How to log in to the GoPuff Driver app. If you want to log into the GoPuff Driver account, it's actually quite very simple. You have to make sure you have downloaded already the GoPuff Driver application on your mobile phone. Now there it says welcome to GoPuff Driver. First is you can choose to actually log in using your mobile number right here. So make sure to go ahead and then enter your mobile number and log in. Or if you want to, then you can also go ahead and instead choose an email address that you want to log in with. Then after you've done that, you can just tap on the continue button. So in this case, if I want, let's say mobile, I can tap on continue. It will send a verification code to that phone number and log in. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address. Then once done, tap on continue, then enter your email and the password, and then you should be able to log in. If you have not signed up for GoPuff Driver account, you can tap on sign up for GoPuff Delivery Partner option as well. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section as to how you can log in. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.